guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a trail runner, one of my favorites. It is quite spacious, so if you're looking for something just that can fit the whole family, a bunkhouse, nice big with an outdoor kitchen, even a nice big unit that you can take the whole family and just really enjoy your vacation. Or even if you're living in one of these, this is a great unit to look at, especially because the price is just amazing and you have everything that you could possibly need. So let's take a look from the outside in. All right, so we got the Trail Runner. It is a 2024. The model is 30RBK. All right, so on this side, we've got one long awning. And I'm sure you guys know, but at Funtown RV, when you do make a purchase, we do provide the propane and the battery at no extra cost, including the freight and all those things that are really important that add up at the end of your purchase. So we do not, it's no extra cost to you. We actually do that for you guys, including the PDI and all the quality that needs to come with the purchase of an RV. So you've got a long awning. And let's take a look at our outdoor kitchen. You also have a place to plug in your TV and just totally relax out here. You got speakers as well over there. You've got an outdoor fridge and a griddle, plus a little storage space, which is always nice. You've got your leveling as well, which is really great. And you have that backup camera prep. But let's take a look inside. I've always loved the Trail Runner because I love their white wood that they use. So excited to show you. Plus the price is ridiculous. It's just so good. All right, look at the space in this unit. I mean, so much room that you are definitely not going to be bumping into each other. So right here we have a nice comfy couch. Of course, it does turn into a bed. We've got these huge windows behind it as well. You've got a nice corner kitchen right here with a 3-burner, your oven, and a microwave above, with storage on both the top and the bottom. Got a little cubby area right here, and then a little bit of storage right there. Nice big sink, double sink, and then you've got your entertainment. You can put a big TV right there, and then more storage underneath, which is so nice. Whenever you come into an RV, it is so nice to see all that storage. Over here we got a U-shaped dinette, which again turns into a bed. It can be another couch for those, all the kids that you might want to bring, or the grandkids. They're definitely going to fit in here. Nice and comfy as well. Love the color, love the look, but it's just really nice to have that big U-shaped dinette. You got a nice big fridge right here, which is going to really hold everything you could possibly want. Put all those goods in there. You've got some more storage right here, and some more right here as well. Plenty of storage, very nice. Over here to behind the entertainment, but to the left, we've got a master bedroom that is so big. I mean, you can walk on both sides so easily. Plenty of room. You've got an area to put some stuff up here, plus you've got cubbies on both sides. And you can hang up your clothes. Plenty of room in here. Plug-ins everywhere. It's just really nice. And I love the barn door right here that rolls across. It just looks really nice in here. You can put your entertainment up above, right over there. And then down the hall, or down this RV, we've got the first bedroom. The first room is going to be your bathroom. So it is nice and big. Plenty of space. And a tub. Who doesn't love a tub? I do. Kids do as well. And I love that they give you that extra counter space and then more storage up above. I mean, up above and below. And over here, we got more storage on this wall. And little drawers right down here. And this nice barn door right here. But this room has a dinette. Of course, that turns into a bed as well. You've got a bunk bed here, here, and here. And then you got an area to put your entertainment and a little bit of storage above and below. So the other thing I love about this is that there's still floor space to do, I mean, the kids can do Legos on the floor or whatever to have a little space of their own, besides the fact that they do have that dinette. So it's really, really nice. I absolutely love this unit and the space that it brings. So if you want information, just let me know. You can give me a call, text, email. Come see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Would love to help you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. All right, until next time.